Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's see our next question. In this question, we have to match the Cp upon Cv ratio for the ideal gases with the different type of molecules. In the one of the column, we have been given the molecule type, and the other column is the ratio of Cp upon Cv. We have to find out the correct combination of these two columns. I am giving you 5 seconds to read out this question and understand it, and then I will move on to the solution. Now let's see the solution. In the first column, we have been given the first item as monoatomic. We know the Cp by Cv value is calculated for monoatomic as 1 plus 2 by 3, that is 5 upon 3. Now the second molecule type is the diatomic rigid molecule. For this type of molecule, the Cp upon Cv value is 1 plus 2 upon 5, that is 7 by 5. The third molecule type is the diatomic non-rigid molecule. For this type of molecule, the Cp upon Cv value is 1 plus 2 upon 7, which equals to 9 upon 7. And the last molecule type is the triatomic rigid molecule. For this type of molecule, the Cp upon Cv value is 1 plus 2 by 6, that is equals to 4 by 3. Now we have to check from the following given options which of the options matches the correct molecule type with the correct Cp by Cv ratio. On tallying the options, we can say that the option 4 is correct match of both the columns. So we can say the option 4 is the correct answer to this question. Thank you everyone. See you in the next question.